Ready to block out the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here, offering truly industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine pure silence on a busy commute or ultimate focus in a bustling office. These headphones create your personal oasis of calm, making them the best choice for peace and quiet. And the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music and podcasts will last longer than even your busiest day. That means fewer interruptions and more immersive listening, perfect for long flights, work sessions, or just getting lost in your favorite tunes. Need to switch between your laptop and phone seamlessly? Multi-point connection lets you do exactly that without fumbling with settings. It's a game changer for productivity and convenience, making these the ultimate everyday companion. What truly sets the XM5 apart is this seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and premium comfort, answering the question, are these worth buying? With a resounding yes. If you're searching for the ultimate audio experience and want to upgrade your current setup, definitely check the Amazon link in the description below. These aren't just great headphones. They're an investment in superior sound quality and an unparalleled listening environment, a top contender for Best Electronics 2025. So if you're ready for the best noise-canceling headphones on the market, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely my top recommendation for 2025.